Do you want to make an extra $5,000 a month with no upfront costs? Let me show you how with something called being a real estate bird dog. It's simple, and anyone can get started. Hello, and welcome to How to Easy Quick. Today, I'm going to share a great side hustle for making extra cash every month by helping real estate investors find properties to flip. You don't need any money to start, and with just a little effort, you could be earning $5,000 or more each month. Step number 1. Spot distressed properties. Start by walking or driving around your neighborhood, keeping an eye out for properties that look like they could use some love. Look for signs like peeling paint, broken windows, overgrown yards, or even boarded-up doors. These are the types of distressed properties investors want because they're perfect for flipping. Step number 2. Note the property addresses. Once you find a property that seems to fit, jot down the address in your notes. A simple list is all you need to get started, and the more properties you find, the better. Step number 3. Connect with investors. Now, let's get that list to the right people. Head over to Craigslist and search for We Buy Houses. You can also go on Facebook and look for local real estate investment groups. Many investors are eager to buy lists of potential properties, especially if they're motivated to close deals in your area. Step number 4. Sell your list. Once you've connected with a few investors, reach out to offer your list. Investors typically pay between $500 and $1,000 per list, and they're happy to pay because each successful flip can earn them $10,000 to $100,000 or more. If you sell just 10 lists a month at $500 each, that's an easy $5,000 in your pocket. And that's it. By simply identifying distressed properties and selling your list, you can create a steady monthly income. Best of all, it requires no upfront investment, just your time and consistency. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell icon to get more quick and easy income ideas. See you in the next video.